How to fix Telegram Wi-Fi problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram Wi-Fi problem on Android phone. First open Play Store and then just check if there is an update here for Telegram, and then just update your Telegram, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now just restart your phone and try again. And if that also doesn't fix it, so just go to settings and scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps or applications. Just click on it, and here you will find all your installed apps. Now just type here Telegram and click on it, and here click settings and then click clear cache, and after that click this one. Wait, where is it? Click data usage and click Wi-Fi, allow it. Now just go back and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.